Hi everyone, today we're going to listen to the music that's being produced by this beautiful pink and white amaryllis plant. To achieve this, we're going to make use of a biosonification device that has a synth inside. I'm going to attach 2 electrodes to the plant. One will be attached to a leaf and another will be placed in the soil close to the roots. The bioelectrical impulses of the plant will then trigger notes in the synth. This plant hasn't played music before, so let's have a listen.